Hey now, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning in to another client beat. Alright guys, let's get started. So what I'm using is the same pencil that I use on me and my clients, and the S Benefit brow pencil, the precisely one, and I'm just basically filling in her brow slightly. She came with them arched, but I'm just trying to get them to meet each other, y'all. I was having a hard time with these brows because sometimes brows can be difficult, y'all. They can be difficult. So just put them in the best way that you can. Okay, try to match them with both of the brows. I will try to look and see how to do that by looking at each brow. So I'm just taking some concealer, and this is Fine Concealer from LA Girl Pro Concealer. And I'm just slaying her brows. Oh, look at that brow. So good. It looks so good. And then I'm going to do the other one as well. She keeps raising her brow up. I don't know if y'all seen that, but she had a habit of doing that when I was doing her makeup. Like, it just continuously kept raising that brow. So therefore, I couldn't really get a equal what am I trying to say? An equal brow, if you get what I'm saying, because the other one kept being raised up too. So now I'm taking my P. Louise base number 6, and then I'm taking Helen Cosmetics eye primer base, and I'm just basically patting her base out. Now what I'm using is a eyeshadow from Juvia's Place. I think it's a Magic palette. This is the blue shadow, and she was wearing blue. I'm like, what you wearing? I always go based off their clothes. So I'm taking my shader brush and I'm packing this blue all the way, well, halfway into her lid. And then what I want to do is I'm going to try to find a color. You're going to see swatches on the back of my hand. I'm going to try to find a color to basically match this blue in transition going up. Sometimes it can be really hard to find colors, y'all. So she has hooded eyelids. I don't know if y'all can tell because that blue looks like it just filled the entire eyelid. It's really hard finding color sometimes, and I understand that with some people. But I was on the back of my hand swatches trying to really figure out which color am I going to use. But Juvia's Place has all the shadows, y'all, in combination and correspondence to each shadow that you use. I mean, most of these palettes do, but you just gotta test out and see which one works best in transitions that you're going in. But yes, this blue almost covered her whole eyelid, y'all, and her eyes are very hooded. So I think a cut crease on hooded eyelids look really good because you can actually see the shadow versus from a non-cut crease. So I'm just packing it on top of that blue, but I am staying low.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headaches stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness.
patting out the accents of the blank canvas base, but be careful because this is a paint. You're going to be patchy looking. It just, sometimes you just got to be really careful what you use and how you use it, because it can end up being really bad, if that makes sense. So I didn't record this part either. I don't know what was going on. I was just trying to get out of here because I take so long with doing makeup, y'all. So y'all already know I be taking 3 hours on the face. So I had to get her up out of here. What I did was take some blue shadow out of the Juvia's Place Magic palette. I'll leave it in the description right below. And I tried to make this from inner tear duct to be like glittery, and then outside that shimmery shade. And it worked out very fine because I used also a shimmer shade to go on top, or these pigments called Prian from Peaches and Cream Makeup, and also Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. I used Cinderella on the lid, and it came out so pretty, so pretty. Man, this starts to get on my nerve. So I'm taking the shadow, the second shadow I used to put on top of the blue, and basically blending it on top of that blue shadow. And then I want to take the dark blue to basically close out that cut crease on the end. Now I'm just taking my Wet n Wild liner, and I'm just lining her eyes. And I was going to keep it straight, and I should have kept the liner a little bit non-thick, because when I made it thicker, it made the cut crease look a little bit smaller. So when working with hooded lids, it's a personal preference, but don't make the wing liner as thick so that the cut crease can outstand and show more, if that makes sense too. And then when she looked up too, since her eyes are hooded, the shimmer shadow kind of got on the liner, but that cut crease looks really good. To me, it looks really good. So yeah, I'm about to put her some lashes on. She didn't want any 25mm lashes. I love 25mm lashes on my clients because they look so pretty. But I mean, her eyelids are hooded, so therefore these are perfect for her eyes. Now I'm about to get into the face, y'all. If y'all want to know everything about the face, check the description right below. But until then, y'all,
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light, alright. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in, 'cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? I'll just breathe in. I don't really know what comes next. I'm just doing my best, even though I'm so stressed out. Everything just feels like a test that I fail, so depressed when I can't seem to get out. But something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't, that's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. I'm inspired by thirst, I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let